Welcome to another railway photography outing. Today I'm in the beautiful, sunny, icy Yorkshire Dales, and there's a steam special going to be heading along the Settle and Carlisle. But just look at where I'm walking. The majestic mountain of Pen is there, and this is the village of Selside up ahead, hamlet I should say. I'm going to a special location just up here, so straight across this icy field. Fingers crossed it'll be an awesome view. Climbing up that hill, phew, I'm hot. I've got all my layers on, -2 degrees, and I'm too hot. Anyway, behind me is Pen. The steam's coming from that direction. There's a big gallery of people right down near it, near the track. Along here, and over to the village of Selside over there. So my plan is, first shot around about 100mm focal length with the 70-200, and then second shot 35mm fixed prime, a wider shot as it comes closer. I should be here with my good friend Gordon, but he texted me about half an hour ago to say his car's broken down, so that's a real bugger. But he did get an earlier shot in Lancashire, so fingers crossed he's got a good one there. I've decided I will get the drone up, but probably not for photographs. We'll do a video with that, so maybe. So here's the gear, 2 cameras and the drone. But once I get it confirmed it's past Settle Junction, I'll get the drone up and hovering in a location ready to film. And I can just leave it to it whilst I take the shots. Probably just over there, you know, just a couple of 100 meters from where I'm standing. Anyway, I've now cooled down, so I put my hat back on and zip my coat back up. Lovely. But what a beautiful day. Could there be anywhere more beautiful than God's country on a crisp January morning? Be here in about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to get the drone off, get that in position, and we're ready to do the shooting. Right, here we go. Train is now coming. I've got the drone in a nice position, just literally level with where I'm standing, with no more height. I'm going to get out the way of the camera so you can enjoy the view. Let's just make sure, there we go. Now that's pretty good. Pen's looking pretty good. Here we go. Superb. Should be looking good on the... Look at that. Gonna swing the drone around. Now we're going to get the other camera. That looks absolutely amazing. We'll get the diesel at the end. Wow. Quite something. Quite something. Well, that is absolutely brilliant. Well worth getting hot for and cold for. Hands are getting cold now, even though I was boiling hot coming up the hill. There we are. Hope you enjoyed that. That was just an excellent morning, despite the wait, the views, the changing landscape as the icy frost and remnants of snow disappeared. Wonderful. What a place to be. God's country and the majestic Pen. Back out again. the last sun of the day. Not so hopeful that the steam will appear in the sun. I'm at a location on the West Coast Mainline called Little Strickland. There we are. So in position, and I found exactly the same spot, pretty much within a metre or so, is where I stood a few years ago for a steam. Here's the one I took a few years ago, and looking on Flickr I can see I used the 55mm 1.8 lens, so on the camera. No other clutter or luggage, just the GoPro. Right, I'm going to check the time, see how this train's doing. Could be getting very cold, and it could be dark by the time it gets here. I'm slightly regretting my choice of location, because if you look carefully you can see the last residues of sun just about on the track there. So the hill behind me, as the sun drops, is going to block the sun from the train. Not such a clever location. I probably should have gone a bit further north to Shap and beyond, and maybe somewhere like Scout Green where it's open to the side, maybe an into the like glint shot or something. I could still go and do that, but I'm going to stay here. Oh, there's a train coming. Let's see if we can get this one. That'll be good. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Powerful. Good. Well, to be honest, that was pretty good. Shame it wasn't coming the other way, but anyway, let's see what happens. Steam. Certainly making some good progress. Look at that. Not too bad at all. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, and we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.